traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold, ever since we ended a correction way back here, I definitely still think this is a 1, 2, 3, and I'm still not convinced the wave 3 is over. Most wave 3s do go to the 161.8 before they actually make a wave 4 and then go back up for a wave 5. But this is the monthly time frame, so that's going to take a very, very long time to play out. Going down to the weekly time frame, I still think this is a 1, I think this is a 2, and I think this is all subdivisions of a wave 3. So a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and we're likely in a wave 5 of wave 3, which I think is going to go up to one of these two Fibonacci levels before it makes a bigger push to the downside for the bigger wave 4. So going down to the daily time frame, I think this is the end of a wave 4 right here. This is likely a 1, a 2, a 3, and we're probably in that wave 5 right now. I still think there's a very good likelihood it's going to go up to at least a $2,500 area to finish a wave 5, and it might even go up to the 61%, which is right around the 2550, 2560 area. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, the fact that the trend is definitely still up on the higher time frames tells me that I'm definitely still looking for longs. There has been a little bit of money to be made on the short side over the last week or so, but I personally have definitely still been looking for longs at all these little points right here. The market so far this week has been extremely slow, and it is August, and August is known for being one of the slowest months of the year because everybody's on holiday. I still think there is a very good chance that this is going to make its way up. The trend is definitely up, and I'm definitely still leaning towards longs at the end of pullbacks. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, there has been some money to be made to the short side, but I definitely am still looking for longs. Think places where I've been looking to go long is right there, and right here. So I definitely would continue to look for longs at the end of every pullback I saw. Hopefully, at some point, it is going to just keep on trending up, making higher highs, higher lows. All the higher time frames, like the daily, weekly, and monthly, are all in an uptrend, and I do not believe that trend is over. I still think it needs to go up to about the $2,500 area to finish off this wave 5 of wave 3. So I'm definitely still looking for longs. This pattern right here is extremely sideways. Very sideways market right now for the dollar pairs. But at some point, I think it is going to break up, and it probably will continue the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.